2024 Range Rover, and for a rear brake job, customer's request. I can't lift this all the way up because my lift is not heavy enough. I don't want to cause any damage. Just the wheel lock socket. Very heavy tires. Alright. So you also need to take off these caps. I have these long tires that I'm going to do that with. We're going to take off the other tire and then we'll continue. You just gotta wiggle them a little bit and they come out. Alright, so these are the hats. Put them aside. This is the wheel lock. Just rotate it easy till you find the grooves. In this scenario, you went right in. Hola, papi. Huh? What, right now? Yeah, give me 2 seconds. Alright, so after you have the tires off, we're gonna add the computer already connected. Okay, so we go to HUD functions, electronic parking brake, parking brake pad replacement, release to service position. Okay. Now it's going to make a noise when it releases. Okay. We just released them, and now it's going to put it in a service position.
So can you close the brakes on it?
Yeah. Now that we have the parking brake fully released, we're going to need a 14mm either wrench or you can use a socket. It's a brand new car, so it's going to be very easy to do these. And then there's one more bolt over here, so it's 2. Go ahead, loosen those up. Got 2. This is the sensor for the brakes. It's connected over here. You can just pop it out. There's a clip here, and that's it. Just make sure to replace your sensors so you don't have any issues, and then you just slide it out. like that. Just leave it hanging. So this particular car doesn't really need to replace the pads, but the customer stated that he wanted to change them. Looks like I got enough thread for a little bit more. Like this. Alright, so next thing is gonna be, I don't like replacing the original where the brakes sit, the metal piece, just because the aftermarket ones don't sit as good. Even though they got the original, when you change them, they might scratch, they might move around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these, because this car only has 7,000 miles. I'm going to clean these, and I'm going to grease them up over here so they don't get stuck on the dirt, so they move freely. And then we're going to put everything back. Hit this with a brake cleaner, put a little grease on where it sits. These three, it goes on the outside. Slides right in. And this one, it has to be on the outside, the two grooves. Goes on the inside. Now, you just gotta close everything up. Same way as you opened it. You have to push the caliper back. In this particular car, it came out as much, so I was able just to push it in. But usually you'll need the tool to rotate it inside. Otherwise it won't move. Slide this in, push the pins inside. My hands are sweaty, so now let's use this real quick. Make sure you tighten both of them. Alright, next up is the sensor. Always make sure to replace your sensor, even if it's not broken, because obviously it's a new car. So this side always has to be on the in, otherwise it's gonna break too fast. So just slide it up on the grooves and it pops right in. Then you connect it, put the clip back, and then once you do the other side, I'm gonna do it right now. Once you do the other side, you take the parking brake out of service mode, you close everything up, then you pump the brakes, and then you're good to go. So let me go to the other side. I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I close the brakes, and then the whole process. that's it. So next up, we're gonna exit the maintenance mode. Okay, you're gonna hear it now closing. Give it a second. That's it. All done. Now you put the tires back and then you're good to go. So the brake job is all done. You gotta pump the brakes. It's a beautiful car. And now we take it outside for the client to pick it up. Actually, it might not have 7,000 miles, but it is what it is. Check all the cameras. Alright, the job here is done. The client will pick it up. Look at that Z4M right there. Alrighty. This is nice S54 engine. Fortunately, it just stays parked. Yeah. Alright guys.